Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khulume with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do that thing and click the subscribe button. Igama lami ngiPrudence Sibonga Ngomani nempela ayolala amaqhawe yosala adibonga emva kokuthi akudlule emhlabeni uMamzane Lembokazi bala abaningi basele bashaqeke bamangele basathukile and people are still in disbelief because man batibuta ukuthi is this really happening? Guys, sijwayele kubona okuva ukuthi ama celebrities andlulile mhlambe emhlabeni, but with this case ya Mam Zanele, people are really shocked, people are really heartbroken, guys. Guys, she was one of a kind. I don't wanna lie, she was one of a kind. People loved her, they loved her work. Bebamthanza ngendlela lesimanga, ngendlela phansi aphole ngakhona nebuntu bakhe nelitshintsho njena alalindile eNingizimu Afrika. So ma-celebrities lamaningi ayavakashela laphana akankambule ayosho phela nawo ukuthi Dvudvu bala baningi boThandeka Zulu, DJ Sindo ufaka phakathi futhi kanye na DJ Happy Girl. Uthi DJ Happy Girl uMamzane Lembokazi uyintshintshile kakhulu impilo yakhe. She wouldn't be where she is today if it wasn't for her. Uthi uyabonga kakhulu uTandla adindlula ikhanda. That's why uthi akathembe ukuthi this is really happening. Uthi ngazuthi usephupheni they are gonna wake her up, but ayibo kwendanjana vele asho ukuthi I was having a terrible and a bad dream, but unfortunately it is really happening, guys. I was even on her Instagram postele memorial service yakhe leto bekhona namuhla, guys. So uva buhlungu uze wathi kodwa I like she's so heartbroken, guys. But guys, uNkulunkulu yapha aphinze lapho athathe, guys. Yathi ukuthi asakhile la kulomhlaba singabahambayo sithi Dvudvu emndenini. Qala usubscribe, share le video, like emathole informative, and please do share this video. Mina nawe siyohlangana kulenye lensha letake video. I am signing out. Goodbye.